Hello. Hello, Meta Dude. Yeah, it's way too warm for a shirt. I am basically just fucking dying right now from all the heat. Hello, sheer headache. Hello, external might. I'm not naked. I'm just not wearing a shirt. So this is what we're working on today. Dude, I made so much progress while I was offline. You guys have no idea. There's so many changes. Like Koopa boy. We're not gonna get demonetized. You're allowed to be shirtless. It's no big deal. Hello, Lila. How many exactly? How many what? Hello, guy with a Russian name that I cannot pronounce because I don't even know how you're supposed to read the letters. I like the ziplines too. This summer is pretty rough. We've been to the beach the last day, twice the last week. Look, guys, you will like this a lot. Look at that. Isn't that sick as fuck? We don't have an AC, we just have a ceiling fan. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Alright, what OST do we pick for today? When release date? I don't know. Nintendo will let me distribute this, and I will just upload a patch, and then you can play that. I'm gonna just pick Mario Party 3 OST. Hello, Jesus Joshi. That audio though? What's wrong with the audio? Yeah, I added a little rainbow around it too. This is kind of stolen from Mario Sunshine. So today I think we're gonna finish programming this finally. We're gonna give Mario a butt print that appears when you do a ground pound here. And maybe something that appears when you dive. The audio of the star? You don't like the audio of the star? You got a bad idea? I thought the star audio was nice. It's supposed to be soul. Yeah. So I'm pretty sure Zena sent me the butt print. Let me get that real quick. Here it is. This will be Morris' butt print. It's very loopy and annoying. Fair, yeah. Hello, Dimentio. Did I have to record like an instruction for a tech convention that I'm supposed to be speaking at this week? It's not a good day, it's so warm, I'm just sitting in my own swamp here. Can you get an MR60 for Romhacking? There is a bunch of documents that you can read that will have all the tutorials in it. They're linked on the Simpleflips Discord server. There's also romhacking.com, which probably has a lot of info for you. Please post Romhacking resource document and pin it. How do I post what? Where do I pin it to? Doesn't even sound like a star anymore? Anymore? Are you implying it used to sound like anything? Now what's this for? This is for Bowser's oil rig. You post a comment here and pin it. Eh? I don't really care about pushing that document. I wanna push my own channel. I wanna get famous. I'm not gonna advertise some random stuff. I think this needs to be an i8. Yeah. The missing Goomba? There is no Goomba missing. Oh yeah, I'm thinking... I'm still 50-50 on it. I'm thinking that maybe tomorrow I will announce an F3 actually happening. Now that I've recorded my thing for like the Handmade Boston conference, I probably have time to do it. What is the best Mario character? Yoshi. Did I patch the... Nope, that's for when Mario ground pounds the cement. But like the comment answer those questions. E. What's AF3? AF3 is when you make the fan game convention. Vivian is? Bowser? I'm surprised to hear Vivian. Why Vivian? Why would you like Vivian? How many stats I'm gonna have? Probably like 180. Hey Lila, search Vivian on Google. Is it gonna be inflation porn? It better not be. Vivian. Cool, cool, Lila. Thank you for making me do that. Yeah, Vivian is from Paper Mario. She has a nice arc. Fair. Yeah, F3 is basically so I get free content and other people get all the hacks exposed to the public. Vivian Paper Mario? Nope. I know better than to do that. So this texture is 12 white, right? So how do we best cope with that? I think the other one was 6 by 6? No, it was 3 by 3. Oh boy. Well, I can just search for Mario characters and find inflation stuff instantly. Yeah, Bowser is especially bad for this. I have played TTYD, and I think TTYD is pretty fun. Do I follow a strict coding style? No. My motto, my mantra is that if the compiler doesn't see a difference, I also don't see a difference. So code style is just not a thing for me. I think 113 is good here. It's not baby's first program. How's this an undefined reference? Vivian is a man. Oh no, are we getting political? How the fuck is this an undefined reference? Are you kidding me? It's the exact same thing. Hello gamer, what is up, Bioback? Vivian is a trans woman. There you have it. Wait, what? This has to be here. And still, that doesn't explain why this is not working. Didn't really think about this. Why would this happen? Could it be that this is stored in the data segment or something? See, the crazy thing is, I love discussing politics. I love being in stupid arguments. but every time they are in stupid arguments, everyone just leaves the stream. How long did it take to learn coding? I literally just looked at code and was able to program. I have never learned it. I was just born with it. You just have to learn like how to deal with the compiler sometimes. Am I doing something wrong here, maybe? This works now, then there's no explanation for it. This works. What? That is a legitimate GCC bug. Fucked up Yoshi of the week. Those are a lot of fucked up Yoshis, but they are very fucked up. Dude, there has to be a bug in GCC something. Like, why would it work now but it didn't work before? You see what I mean? You have to learn to deal with that stuff. Dude, I'll be honest, I tested the game on N64, and while it runs super well when it runs, there's still a lot of crashes, like a lot of them, and I need to figure those out before we can release the game, and that's gonna be quite difficult. Easy as Pie cursed me. I'm not sure if that's only been there since Easy as Pie's changed. Because remember, if you give Wario an amiibo, he draws the character on the amiibo. Every drawing is him as paint garbage, except for drawings of Wario himself, which are very sexy and buff. Oh, so that's a real thing? I had no idea. My text with half is 127? I guess that makes sense. That does make sense. Dude, having a better N64 emulator that tells you why something crashes would be so useful. Okay, now this should work for all even numbered pixels, but not for the odd numbered ones. Alright, let's make this work for the odd numbered ones as well. J. No J. J. Okay. Is this all? Let me real quick understand the difference between these two again. +1, plus nothing. Okay, it's a difference. Alright, we should be fine now. This Romhacking is going to put case on the map for sure. I mean, I'm already kind of on the map, aren't I? You want more content from case clips? You want me to upload more clips? The thing is, the more clips I upload, the lower quality they have to be for me to actually have content to upload. Because having consistent good content, like twice a week, from stuff I make during the week, is a lot of work. I mean, I only upload Saturdays and Sundays right now because those are the best days to upload. It's actually crazy that this channel here already has like 11,000 subs. I wonder if there's people like watching this right now or like watching my clips that don't even know about the main channel. Yoshi-tillion downloads. Oh my god, who are you, Epset Ira? Are you in the Simple Clips Discord? I have never seen you. There's only one guy I know that keeps saying blah 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 tillion something, and that is Mr. Comet. Mr. Comet's out. He just randomly has a joke, damn. He's here for the first time and he's already predicting all the Simple Clips Discord humor. Is there some sort of identifier we can use to make sure that this is only happening once? Nope. Oh, maybe action state? Let's see if we can add a butt print to the cement now. Dude, maybe we should get one of those old school dubstep intros. You guys know what I mean? The intro someone will make you for like $5, where it's just your name in like some template, pre-made, with dubstep music. What if I did that for an April Fool's video? It looks like using that identifier is just completely not worked. Let's just try this. I'm gonna be a 100 million... Dude, if I ever have a YouTube channel with 101 million subs, I'm just gonna... I don't know what I will do. What could I even do at that point? At that point, I've just played through the system, you know? I've beaten it. I'm done. But this is a 15 FPS. It's 15 FPS. If you think this is more than 15 FPS, your eyes are actually deceiving you. The reason this looks more like more than 15 FPS is because of my super high-tech smoothing strategy. I can actually make a game run at 4 FPS. It's gonna look like 20 with this. Very true story. At least worth a shot? You think adding the fucking dubstep intro from 2008 YouTube is worth a shot? Alright, I don't know who you are, but you are officially no longer on the YouTube Advisor Council. I am sorry to say it. Okay, so right now I'm testing a code that makes stems like every second, every frame. And this is what the print looks like, so that's not good. Wait, YouTube has a For You page? I was not aware of that. It's a bit too big, that's all. No, the pixels are not rendering the way I want. So that is actually pretty bad for me. Not good news at all. Must be getting the wrong pixels somehow. Talk about the red arrows and recircle thumbnail for your next April's video. I think those don't work well on YouTube anymore. I actually think that's like outdated now. Okay, so those two are writing to the exact same pixels. That's what we want. We're increasing that by 1. That is also what we want. Wait, we're not getting the J here. That part was definitely missing. That's more like it. Getting the F0 bit first, and then the F bit. Okay, let's just test it again, see what happens. Could be 3 seconds. No, we're not. No, you have to be kidding. We already have a YouTube outro. I mean, that's also not appearing below Mario, but that's a pretty easy fix. We just have to offset it a little bit. Check this cut, that's very important. Leela sent me a video. Yes. Oh boy, this will be a banger when I release this in 2008. Alright, one of the axes is correct now, but the other one is even worse. That's progress though. I also don't like that it looks like I'm just like carrying this thing around. It doesn't look like it's actually multiplying the way it's supposed to. That very much sucks. Let me see which axis that is. I can actually just tell the axis from looking at the model. It's the x-axis. Oh, that looks correct to me. Why do we cast it to a U8 at all? I think the U8 cost should be gone. Oh, it needs to be here, never mind. Otherwise this is gonna be treated as a float. We can't end on floats. The motors being returned to your island would be very cool. Nope. No motors. Dude, I still haven't figured out how to reduce the delay on the YouTube. That's the one thing holding YouTube streaming back for me right now. The fact that there's so much delay. Oh, it also shouldn't be I multiplied by 3. The texture's a lot bigger now. It's I multiplied by 12. I forgot to change this value here. Why no motors? Why motors? No one knows who they are except for you guys. And you guys are nerds. That's why you're watching me. If they weren't even good enough for Mario 64, why would they be good enough for my game? Oh? Alright, we got the ball here. The ball is just slightly off center and it renders wrong on every other tile. And somehow I was wrong on the X and the Z thing. Oh, guys, now that we have 46 people here, we can combine the creativity of everyone in chat. There is a new Romhacking competition going on Simpleflip's YouTube channel and romhacking.com or whatever. And the theme of the competition is troll. Now the question is, how do you actually make a fun and creative troll hack? I think every fun and creative troll hack has already been made, and there's nothing you can do. Do you guys have any idea that is actually decent and not just bad? Because almost every idea for troll is just bad. My first idea was to just put Mario 64 code into ChatGPT and to tell it to make it funny, and it was very cringe. You level that shift every time you die with enemies or invisible walls, so you get them when they least expect it. Yeah, that just sounds miserable to play. You know what I mean?
Hi, chat.
Hello, Zena. Say hello, Zena.
Oh.
But dying installed 6 copies of Garden of Banban onto your PC? No. Stealing Cozy's idea? What's that Cozy's idea? There's no way that was Cozy's idea. I posted that first.
I do exist, Koopa boy. Hi, Lila.
You're the what?
I'm the real star, including the Lila today.
Well, I guess she's lying.
Wow, rude.
Okay, now half the butt prints should not be showing up, but hopefully only the good ones show up.
Footprints in the cement?
Well, I'm trying.
It's going.
Okay, so we know the bottom ones, no, the top ones are bugged. Alright. Let's figure out why. Because you made a ChatGPT hack thing where you asked you for a hack idea and story and stuff and also help with the code. Oh, I didn't know. That's kind of funny. How would I have known of that? What kind of competition was that even?
I had a thing to finish.
Oh guys, are you ready for yet another unpopular case opinion? I have one to share. You make a competition, like a speedrunning competition or a Romhacking competition, where you expect people to put in work, and you can't pay people in money or exposure or anything, then why the fuck would anyone enter?
Do Simple Flips competition?
No, he pays you in money and exposure. Simple Flips competition actually pays really well. You need some kind of prize, you know? I can pay an exposure, I'm very famous. Sure, Lila. Yeah, exactly, DM. That's why the Simple Flips competition works, but there's so many other competitions where I just don't see why anyone would enter. I actually think it's kinda sad that so many Romhackers don't make hacks just for making hacks, they just make like stuff for competitions. How am I? I am way too warm and miserable.
It's pretty hot. It's been pretty hot the last couple of days.
Mm-hmm. Wait, I put the return here, and then it was wrong, right? Wait, wait a second. Did I fuck up? Just now? Even I don't consider myself famous enough to do like a competition type thing. Oh, some of them are still messy. What the hell? Dude, it's not multiplying these correctly. And these coordinates here are just wrong. Something about this is just not working out. Which people remain Romhacks to be played on console? I mean, it's getting more common now, with the decomp and everything. I knew I'm more of a master guy, but give it a try. I want to make more into the RPG game. Of course, a 2D project will be easier. It's a lot cheaper to create assets for a 2D game. Yes. Where did I make a mistake here?
Zelda hack, 2 or 3 Zelda hacks, have you?
I played... I think I only played Dusk and Dawn, why? And...
Maybe.
I mean, I made the Easy Maze dungeon and the Shifting Sandland dungeon.
Yeah, and you made Missing Link.
Yeah.
Anytime.
Taking part in the Summer Brew 64 Jam, I'm wondering how to implement a basics physics engine. Sure, dude, just let me just dictate you the code, line by line, right now, on stream, for your physics engine. Thus, collision detection between a sphere and a tri-mesh is expensive. Thank you for the broken English. Do you want me to give you the time in microseconds for that one, or? Is the branch? No. This is both writing to the same texture, but for some reason this part here is not getting the right texture coordinates, I think. But they are reading both from the exact same spot in the source texture, right? Like if I... Come on, damn it. I mean, yeah. If I highlight this, you can see it's the same twice. So are they writing to the wrong destination? The destination is the same too, isn't it? This is supposed to be the same as the second line above. And it's the same as the first line. Yeah, it's supposed to be the same as the first line. So that is odd. I have heard of Render 96, yes. But it is not something I personally care about. I mean, this should be the exact same code. I think this would even compile the same. Oops. If Hazy Maze Cave had a boss fight instead of a wall jump star near the falling bullets, which creature would it be? Probably a big Scuttlebug. Or a big bat. That's all Mario 64 bosses are, just like a normal boss but bigger. Yeah, you can just see that half of these are just wrong. And I don't know why. It's actually devastating. Lila's going to die? Why? No, it's definitely a big Scuttlebug or a big bat. No argument about it. You would beat the big Scuttlebug by jumping on it 3 times. Although, actually making the Scuttlebug bigger makes it a lot more obvious than huge parts of its body are just like sticks and billboards, so maybe it would be the bad. I was gonna say a big eyeball for 1 second, but then I realized that literally already is a boss. In a stage with 3 boss fights. Cement texture looks like sand. We can still change the texture, it's very easy to change it out. We just need to make the code work first. Didn't think I'd be spending that much time on it today. Because I thought the system already worked. There's no way there's aliasing shenanigans going on here, is there? No, this is the exact same number. Big Boo Sound had 3 Big Boos, 3 of them. And 1 giant eyeball. There were 4 boss fights on that stage. Wait. This part is missing. Oh my god. That part was missing everywhere. No wonder this didn't work. The footprints in cement are like 1/5 of the star. There's 1 star where you piss off all the workers here by like messing with their buildings. The fighting skeletons here are kinda weird, aren't they? Oh. Alright, we need to put this back to only bring when you ground pound, so that we can actually see what's going on. I'll just count it down like this. Oh shit. That doesn't work. Can't use opacity. I don't want to use NM state either. This is fine. It's like a fine powder like sand. Yeah. No, I'm definitely fine with changing the texture. So we have our footsteps and ground pot. The ground pot didn't do anything. Cool. I also just realized that because we did this wrong, the other thing's gonna be wrong as well. Because we copied from there. The texture with half needs to appear like twice per line of code. Here and here and here. And here and here and here. I think that's also the issue that we don't actually ever enter this action state when we're underground. Something like that. Which would be very weird. Wait. Oh. Also wrong. Here.
Yeah.
You thought it was sand? No, it does look like sand, you're right. Okay, so sometimes it's the perfect circle, and sometimes it's this. It should be a 50-50 chance. But sometimes it works perfectly, which is good. Now, the other thing we need to test is that it actually gets darker as we do it more. And never brighter. Yeah, that doesn't happen either. Actually, it would be fine if it got brighter sometimes. That wouldn't be a big deal. Now that I think about it, kinda makes sense. Should be more chunky grainy. Alright, fine. Let's get a new cement texture real quick. I mean, the texture I used was actually called sand, so... Which one of these actually looks like cement to you guys? Let me look at cement. With cement. This one maybe? Oh god, that's too high res. Wait, let me close this actually. Is this maybe cement looking? Is that what you guys imagine cement looks like? Maybe a bit grayer? It's a bit too dark for my taste. Maybe this one? No, that's too grainy. Looks like muddy water. There's only so much we can do on the N64 resolutions. Now it's dirt. Is this wet cement? Needs to be gray. The light in this is red, so that's gonna be difficult. Like, the only way to get it to be grayer is to paint it bluish. Freshly laid cement texture. I mean, I can look at this and Google cement, but we're not gonna get an actual good texture. Oh, I see. Yeah, this isn't gonna work ever. But let's try it. Might actually not be so bad. We'll have to brighten it though. Yeah, kinda like it. It's dry cement, not fresh laid. It looks bad enough, in my opinion. Hello, some guy. Oh god, now our layer on top looks really weird. And you can barely see the footsteps. That kinda sucks. I'd like it better if you could see these better. Yeah, I'm making the footprints darker right now. It really sucks that YouTube has so much delay. Oh, there we go. That looks nice. I just have to make sure that all of them actually look fine now, because every other footprint looks like this. Yeah. Like, half of them just look bad and the other half looks good. That's what I don't like about this. What was that? A sub? I still don't know if that's a paid sub or a YouTube sub. Someone will have to tell me one day. Still making footprints? Yep. Yeah, I know that some of them are wrong. Just to be sure, the exact same thing happens if I... Wait. I don't need to think about that. Plus J. Plus J makes sense, because we only go by 2 pixels per byte. No, that's not it, some guy. It's because we are using an I4 texture. An I4 texture has 2 pixels per byte. So sometimes when we ground pound, we're gonna be at like an odd number of pixels away. So we have to add 2 different bytes instead of the same byte twice. So there's 2 different types of codes that are running. One for odd numbers and one for even numbers. And the code for even numbers is malfunctioning right now, which is weird because the one for odd numbers should be a lot harder to do. Oh, wait a second. That's why. I had the numbers twisted around. That should always work. Now our wet cement should be done. Fuck. Still not there. But I'm pretty sure that the issue I pointed out is the actual issue here. There's probably just more to it. So the upper bit is the 0 and the lower bit is the 1. Divided by 2y. Makes sense. Hello, Voicer. Yes, making content takes a while. You can't expect me to just like shit out a stage like that. You have to be patient and actually just let me program. Just like, I don't know what you're expecting. The plugin should display these just fine. They are a very simple render technique. Oh, no, you can sub on YouTube. I don't have Twitch notifications on anymore because I'm not on Twitch. Why are both of these ending with 0x0? Wait, did I forget to change this number here? F0, FF, okay. The same mistake must be here then too. Yeah, that might have been it. You cheapskate, you're not gonna sub on YouTube? Fair. Is it more expensive on YouTube? Yeah, everyone's got their own preference for which website I should be streaming on. It makes sense. Alright, it looks good. We can properly annoy the guy now. And I think diving like this should just make everything dirty. Twitch is not restrictive, Twitch is just spamming so many ads that I just can't deal with it anymore. What does stomach slides? That seems good to me. Slide, kick, slide, butt slide, air, but wall slide, stomach slide. Where's the dive slide? Actually, it would be stomach slide, wouldn't it? Ah, that did nothing. Man. Oh yeah, I also was finally able to get the Romhacking properly beta tested. So from that I made a lot of adjustments to the game. Way too much effort into the cement. Do you want me to rush the game? Do you want me to just settle for something that is worse than what I want on purpose? There we go. Whee! I'm gonna ruin this guy's cement. I don't even know how you do emojis on YouTube. Besides, we might be able to reuse code like that in other areas, so there's no disadvantage in actually making sure it works fine. We don't need to save this anywhere. Alright, so we got the cement pit. Next we need the guy standing here that gets upset. I think we said it was gonna be a Koopa. I also fixed so many bugs in the first few stages. Actually found a few more performance. Dude, I accidentally made a state-of-the-art programming code, I think. That's what people have told me. Look at my sick A-tens to S code. I think I might make a video just about this. Just because of how cool and optimized this is. Look at this. Someone sent, like, I shared this on a Discord and they sent me a paper. But like, oh, have you looked at this? And then they looked at the paper and they were like, oh wait, you did the same thing. Which is like this part, basically. I'm very happy with this one. What does do with this cat? The A10 of z divided by x of like 2 angles. Or, well, it's not an accurate description. It basically just helps you get the angle if you give it 2 directions. Right, if you give it the value 1, 1, then it will tell you, oh, that's 45 degrees. I've also been planning for our Overworld remake a little bit. I've had some arguments with Biomech in Discord DMs about how to best do this, and I think we've come to a pretty good agreement. So most likely what's gonna happen is that there's gonna be coins you collect and you store them globally, right? And then in the store you'll be able to buy different stuff. You'll be able to buy like a power star, not like a star, like a power star, power thing. That will make it so that it's really easy to get a star. This will be like a thing for like bad players. There will be the option to donate to characters in the overworld, so that you can make the overworld progress. You can see the overworld change while you play, which I think would be really cool. And probably a Yoshi coin right now in the overworld as well. Hello DevPZ. Okay, we haven't decided on anyone yet. We're probably just gonna put a Koopa with a building helmet here. Why would you be able to buy it from the CC, Yoshi? I just realized we don't have any Koopas on the game yet. Do we? Oh wait, Koopa with Golf. We have a whole stage full of Koopas. Alright, let's turn him into our builder dude. Yeah, we literally have a stage called Koopa Wave Cove, and I just didn't think of that. So I'm going pretty well. What's happened to his shell? Wait, there is already Koopas with helmets. They're called Hammer Bros. No, I want the Koopa with like a builder helmet. With a helmet like this. Oh my god, he looks fucked up. He's not having a good time. So you had physics clips, and I'm glad you got the texture warping fixed. That was a fast 64 bug. I take absolutely no shit for that one. Add me to the game as a Koopa. Okay, dude, this is you. Right here. There you go. I hope you're happy. fuck? Did we still need a third comedy club in the last overworld? Please, Case, that was my birthday just last year, please. It's all I want.
You need to make the Koopas dance. Oh wait, no, this is the worker Koopas.
Yeah, he doesn't need to dance.
Okay.
The Koopas in game already have a dance. You can remake it if you want.
I could remake it.
But there isn't really much you can do with it, because it's a super limited rig. Another sub! I still don't know whether those are paid subs or not. So I have no idea how to react to that. Cool.
Okay. Dance animation for the Koopa as it is. I also sent you all of Wario's animations,
Nice, nice.
including a funny little walk cycle.
Perfect. Let me see the game as a coin. Alright, you are that one coin in the first overworld and the first level that's given to you by one of the birds right behind the start. Okay, this is not legal advice, but if you're gonna give money to me, then yes, you should rob a bank. Why are his eyes like this? I think it was fine with the sunglasses, but not like this. What are you, an RTYI? You are the color, lila. Not the tab I wanted. Oh, that's not a very efficient UV map. And it looks terrible. I hate this. Let's see if this is a better eye texture. Well, it can't be worse than what I have, so...
Oh no, what happened to his eyes?
Yeah. That is the issue. I know this looks fucked up, but this is easy to fix. me pull up the... oh shit, I closed the model. I gotta pull up the Koopa model as a reference. This is him. That's him. Oh shit, there's actually a CIA. That's perfect. Alright. There we go. Now the eyes. He's a Cyclops. Isn't there a cat image with this expression?
Something like that, yeah.
I swear I've seen a cat that looks exactly like this. It just doesn't look good. I'm trying to do this, but it's just not working. I think it's because this is like the new school design and I'm trying to use the old school design. Eyes are difficult, guys. God damn it. But to be fair, this is what the original N64 model looks like.
Really quick. Can you use that model?
Not really.
I feel like they need to look like a little tired and overworked, and I'm just gonna make you a new texture.
Yeah, having him look tired on over would look pretty good.
Give me a sec, I can make this in like under 10 minutes.
Alright, I'll give him the hat then. To build a hat.
I'm just gonna give you a small 64 by 64 texture.
It should be 32 by 64.
Okay.
Oh, it's playing a bunch of Mario Party jingles now, yes. Okay, let's use this as a reference for his head.
Oh.
Let me skip that intro, please. I'm trying to grimace shake. I don't want to go to McDonald's. Guys, the memes are also just marketing. The whole reason that the grimace shake memes are going on is because it's a psyop. It's all marketing, don't fall for it. They want you to buy it and make those stupid TikToks, guys.
Oh no, the grimace shake. I don't know if I want to try that. Diabetes in a cup.
Wake up, there's another psyop, yep. Is that even a conspiracy theory at this point? Isn't that literally what they try to do? To make it, like, their stuff to meme status so people buy it? I thought that was just common knowledge. This is just that the evolution of the Wendy clapback, the fact that we're now seeing company memes. I think this is a good construction hat. Construction helmet maybe instead of hat. Oh, okay. It looks a bit different. Ooh, I like that. I have never worked construction in my life. I don't know what these are supposed to look like. That kind of works. Should they have a logo at that front, like a Bowser logo?
They definitely need a Bowser logo.
The eyes are gonna change, Charlie, don't worry. I think sometimes you make stuff a bit too low poly. Yeah, maybe. Although this whole thing is 328 triangles, so I don't think we can really afford much more polys here. I actually thought I was one of the people that have less of a problem of making things too low poly. Because I kinda know like my limitations compared to basically everyone else. This one is ovular. What do you mean? Look at that. Didn't say it was the case here. Yeah, still. I don't know. I mean, I don't doubt that sometimes that happens. But I think it just so often happens that I make it too high poly. Or maybe I make it high poly less often. I don't know, it's a pretty tough balancing act. Oh man, this is the first guy that shows up when you Google construction helmet. Poor guy. Well, I mean, obviously you should always aim to have the perfect polygon count for your things, but, you know, that's kind of hard to estimate. Okay, I want this to be a Bowser-themed construction helmet. Let's think of a design for how Bowser would have it. How would Bowser wear a helmet? He had one in Mario Strikers Charge, didn't he? No, he didn't. Bowser Jr. kinda had one. You still have to keep in mind, Leila, that we're gonna try and do multiplayer. It's Bowser. Is there any... Oh, he wore a hat once. Yeah, what if we just take like a normal construction helmet and we add like a Bowser logo at the front, and that's it. It's just Bowser's logo. This might actually already work as a texture. I think something like this, but with shadows. What if I make a Romhacking just on a hex editor? I'm actually gonna use vertex colors here, so I can bake a bit of lighting on this. Fuck. Hey, I like his helmet. Vertex of a multiple shade color. Fine. Fine. Well, it wouldn't mean vertex of a multiple shade color, but I get what you mean. I know what you want. Well, actually, that's not even... What you want wouldn't have any color. It would just be this. This is the most we can do with your idea. Where's the resolution? You think we should be... I mean, we can be lower res. Maybe it makes sense to be lower res. I'm not sure actually. I guess I'll just half the resolution. Fuck it. What's kind of... Well, you have to keep in mind it's gonna be a super small element.
Do you have the specific color for the Koopa?
I don't know what his color is gonna be yet. Why?
Just wondering. Alright, I'll just put in a new color.
I have a bad idea on how to make this look. Between trim and text using lighting. Okay, I'm not doing that, but don't worry about it. I know what I'm doing. I think 16 by 16 looks too bad, so let's do 32 by 32. I shouldn't have overwritten the texture. Shit. Shade color alpha here. There we go. So someone said that we should also add the line to it, and I kinda agree. And that's actually kind of fitting for this texture here too. Guess what I can do is I can just add the line like above him. It's just a bunch of jingles again. Okay, no, it stopped. Yeah, I think that line is a bit too extreme, but you get my idea, right? Minus 12, and we'll also get minus 6 here. Like that. I kinda like it. It looks like a racing stripe. Amazing. But now that I look at it again, I think the stripe's too small. And it's still too extreme color-wise. I'm not very good at using GIMP. Hey, this is what I want. Stripe needs a border. Kinda has a border here in the less extreme version. We're using GIMP right now, not Photoshop. GIMP has a few features that Photoshop doesn't have, which is kinda fucked up. How's the eye looking?
Pretty good.
Ooh, I like that, yeah.
I think I'm done with it for now. Just need to resize it.
Alright, he needs a shell color. The shell color should be variable with the B parameters. I'm not coding nude. It's just too warm to wear clothes right now. I'm totally regretting paying for Photoshop. I can't believe that they wouldn't add the features that I, a paying customer, needs. But here we are.
That's the Koopa eye.
Alright, let me just do this first.
I hope that works okay.
We'll see. How long have you been using Blender? I don't know. Not something I think about. Not something I want to think about. I just want to make game. No, I did actually have to learn Blender. It took about a week to learn Blender, actually. Blender's really easy to learn if you just actually learn it. I don't know why people act like it's so hard. I think they just don't have any attention span. They don't know how to learn. Yeah, I don't know if this is just a me thing, but I feel like when I'm here, I just want to be here and do the thing. And that's just how I approach things in my life in general. I just want to, you know, not have to deal with all this being a human and asking questions and being social stuff. I just want to get stuff done. Yeah, so this shell texture is awful.
Yep, that's a bad shell texture.
Let's find a good Koopa shell texture. I feel like I should have one already. Surely like Bowser's shell should work.
I think that one also is also used on Koopa the Quick too. Bowser's old shell texture.
You don't have Koopa the Quick.
But you have Bowser.
I don't have Koopa the Quick.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm telling you that it uses this. His shell has the same texture as Bowser's shell. You should have that. At least the texture.
I will just look for Bowser. Yeah, if I make this a grayscale, this could work. Since the start? Wait, so what was my first game? Do you actually know those? Some of them are pretty awful. Put a dragon into Legend of Zelda? Wait, what? Did I? Alright, I think this works for a shell. Instead of this, he should have this his shell belly thing. A reskinned Link as a dragon. Oh, that wasn't me, I think. That was Zell did that. Someone commissioned me to do that, and I gave that commission to Zell. I guess somehow along that chain the credit got to me. That is weird. You don't need any new Everdrive versions for that. My Everdrive v5 actually doesn't work for developing properly, so I always recommend that people don't get it and they just get the Chinese knockoff until they fix it. This should work well. Then there's that Summer Cut 6 which is open source. Yeah, but the Chinese Everdrive is like $50 or something, and it does every single game except for Pokemon Stadium 2. Hello hacker, can I reply to you on Discord? I don't have any testing for you. Well, if you just Google EverDrive 64 and you find the cheapest one, then you will get the Chinese knockoff. You won't even notice that you got the Chinese knockoff. It's just what happens. Right, time for Zena's eye texture. What if I used Leela's intro in my next video? Wouldn't that be funny? I think the color you gave him is a lot more desaturated here.
Yeah, probably. I think all you have to do is just change the background color.
Yeah, well, there isn't really a background color here. It's all foreground. I gotta make the color match somehow.
Can you go paint bucket the other one? The other layer?
Wouldn't it be an auto smooth transition then? I think so. I think this works, kind of.
It's hard to tell from this distance if it works or not.
Okay, this is what happens when I select the paint bucket thing. Kinda works. Alright, this should work.
See his tired little eyes.
Are they the right way around?
Now they're reversed.
Like this?
Eh?
Eh? Eh is not good feedback.
That's looking better. It looks kind of soulless. Yeah, he still looks kind of weird.
What do you want me to do?
I think you might have to fix the texture itself. Can you send me the Photoshop file?
Sure. Oh look, it's Dr. Stone.
No, he's got bug eyes. Oh no. Okay, hold on.
But I had this yellow and the body's orange because I didn't set the color yet. I'm actually doing that right now. FFC802. There you go. Almost 10? True, actually. What shoes would he be wearing?
Probably like really heavy work boots.
Construction shoes. This is what you wear in construction?
Yes. The brown ones are, the brown Tims are usually what you'd see.
What?
Yes.
No way!
Yeah. Construction boots.
What the fuck? This doesn't look very sturdy. What does Builder Mario wear? Just normal brown boots. Alright, we give him normal Koopa boots, I guess.
Boots.
I don't have it, hacker. Hello, CKDef. Shirtless streams are finally back, yep. I have no choice, it's too warm. You wanna steal his boots? You know what? I'm just stealing a Yoshi's boots for this. I think they're perfect. I'm just gonna change the color up a little. Do Koopas always have these green boots? Red Koopas have red boots. So should the boots have the same color as like the shell?
Maybe try this.
Wait. Kinda like this as a boot.
That's a good boot.
Maybe it's a bit small actually, this size seems fine.
Alright, I sent you a new texture.
Let's try the next one.
I kind of gave him a little more tired look.
Yeah, I see that. Oh, he looks done with this shit. No, not like this.
No, you got it. You got the right texture. It's just the one on the UV map is not showing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like it.
We will be done with this shit.
Stoned? He just looks tired. Dude, this is like if Mario characters ate mushrooms. Get it? Because mushrooms is drugs. That's a creative joke no one's made before. I think I'm actually gonna do it like this. Might be a terrible mistake, I'm not sure yet. Yeah, I hit that. Alright, I think our Koopa worker is ready.
Will I get to do his animations?
If you wanna. Any changes? Speak your mind. Oh god, this texture actually looks bad. It's way too bright. I know why. There we go, that is way better. Alright, any change requests? Speak your mind now or shut up forever. Maybe there should be a bit more inside his body here. A little more dark green. Okay, that's actually a good point. How can I make this darker green without fucking everything up? Okay, you know what? This is probably just gonna be the same primitive color, just like made darker like that. Some sort of shading to the sides of the Koopa shell. There is shading on here. Can you not see that? It'd be awesome to have a mod of wave. Okay, I'm not doing that. I don't give a shit about wave race. It would be so awesome to have $1 million. Eh? Anyone? Anyone want to give me a quick $1 million? I would give Case $1 million if I was in chat right now. I don't know, but that's just me personally. How much is Nintendo gonna pay me though? Like, just because they wanna hire me doesn't mean I would agree to that. My current job is really cool. Man, he looks so good in game actually. I like this guy a lot.
Alright. Is he ready for animation?
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. Send him over.
What happened to my ChatGPT videos? Nothing? They're still online. Why? Alright, let me make notes which animations we need. So, stand by idly. It should. Right, okay. So we have stand. We have maybe there should be a talk animation. What do you think?
Yeah. A stand and an idle stand and a talking stand. Or talking
Yeah, he looks better in game because the lighting in game is actually there, and when that's not there. Do I speak German? Yes, my German's very good because I am born in Germany. He definitely needs one where he's angry. Oh, there needs to be an animation where they carry glass. One on the left side. Actually, no, they can both be the same.
Yeah.
Carrying glass.
Maybe there should be an animation where they're just kind of upset that the glass is broken.
Yeah, so upset and sad that glass is broken. They should have a walk animation too. Walk animation. Well, they have one animation where they just fall and slide, so fall animation. That ends in like the slide animation. My body fat percent is probably around 18 to 20. I still have slightly visible abs if I flex them. Let's see. What other animations are this? Oh, there's janitors too, but that's gonna be a different model. He's tired looking on purpose. He's tired of working construction. Not the sub. Okay, the song just abruptly stopped. I think that's all the animations we need. Alright, I'll just send you the list here.
Perfect.
Okay, so he's supposed to stand here and get upset when you do that. How are cement pits usually gated off?
They probably usually have like a wooden stake or fence. Yeah, or wet cement.
Wet cement funny, I'm sure I can see it.
Oh, the turtle!
Oh no!
There too. Oh, that poor chicken.
Jeffrey fingered Carmina. He's supposed to look tired, not a random. So is there nothing that's usually like gating off wet cement? I thought they did this year.
Yeah.
Let's put that around here then. Wait, that's the thing that happens? People are just like behind on the video and that's why it seems like there's a lot of input lag. Man, that's a real problem.
It's also this that you usually see around construction areas.
Hmm?
Like this will fence off areas.
I don't want that.
Okay.
No, that won't be that smashy. The whole joke here is that Mario runs around and ruins it. There can't be anyone else ruining it. I'm not motivated at all, so there's no motivation involved. I just do it. It's really that easy. It's not for free. I mean, technically I make a little bit of money from it, but I would make a lot more money if I just did literally anything else with my skills. This is actually a message from the past. When you hear this message, it is 22:50 in the hour right now. When you hear it, it's probably gonna be like 23:10. I think I have a folder just full of rust textures. I should just use a low resolution piece of shit texture, like... That kinda works. This doesn't actually need to be super accurate, because they probably also just kinda slammed it in. I doubt Bowser's troops measured this out. You can make Mario World Romhacks on your phone. That is messed up. They let you do anything nowadays. Why does this level feel blank? Is it not filled up yet? Just level structure? Yep, we haven't done anything yet. We've only modeled the general layout, and we still need to actually put stuff in here. There's a lot of moving platforms. We're just making the things that we need in this level, and then we're programming it, and then we're placing it, and then that's it. What do you mean by you suck at Blender? Anyone can learn Blender. Blender is not anything that's difficult to learn. It just takes a bit of time. Alright, we got our gated off cement pit. I'm kind of worried that this level is gonna lag on N64, but I guess that happens with every level I make. I'm slowly approaching a point though, where if I overdo it, there isn't really much I can do anymore. I would have to cut back. Because there's no more things I can do in the engine really to save a lot of stuff. So basically what this is gonna be, this guy is watching his cement pit that he just laid out. Elmar's gonna come in and he's just gonna ruin all his cement, and the guy's gonna get upset. What the fuck? What just happened? I suddenly went so fast. Okay, so before we have the guy's animations, we're not doing anything. One thing I definitely want to do here is put the Toxboxes here. Where the Toxboxes are just gonna run around here, and we need like build our Toxbox guys. They have Toxboxes. Cool. Okay, so you removed the student edition code that sets the end radius to 60 from Mario and Bowser? Yes. I'm pretty sure I did. What's the code snippet? No, model resource, why would you do this? I hate model resource. Look what they did with this texture. They put it all into one. That's awful. In the area team. Oh, I followed it pretty closely. I'm pretty sure I did remove it. Can we somehow fit the Toxbox design into the oil rig theme? I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. I actually really like ChatGPT. I'll do this with you guys. I'm making a Mario 64 sequel. In the sequel, Bowser owns an oil rig and various enemies run around. But I want Toxbox. I want the Toxbox enemy to move around and be an obstacle. How can I change their design to fit the oil rig? Let's see. It's possible, it's just annoying Invader. In the oil rig theme, you could redesign them as being made from metal or riveted steel to fit the industrial environment better. They might look like large shipping containers or mechanical cubes. You could add gears, pipelines, guards, and wind-like structures. It can be redesigned as an open hatch or control panel with buttons and levers. Oh, that's kinda cool. ChatGPT is actually insane. It can create pictures, really? Can you give me a picture? It can't. Why'd you say that? So, could we give it a metal design? I mean, it's already made of metal. Bing AI is superior. I have my dots. Isn't Bing AI the same thing? Okay, so the safety spot should look more like an oil rig thing. Let's see what we can pick. This OST is weird. Metal shipping container. Doesn't it already look like a metal shipping container? I have metal shipping containers around here. It's kind of what the Toxbox already look. Actually, maybe I could just do this, but with like a face on it. I'll give that a try. That's kind of cool looking. We can be somewhat liberal with textures on this. Because it's not an armature, so there's no risk of it reloading the same texture over and over. God. That works. I don't think I can shrink it, can I? Can. Oh, this is perfect. Now for the faces. These are just drawn on with paint, aren't they? There are no opossums in RTYI, no. I am sorry to disappoint. Maybe container 2 is better. I could make the faces symmetrical. Yeah, if we put symmetrical Toxbox faces on this, I think this is gonna look good. Alright, this is gonna be our Toxbox redesign for this level. I just need to put a bunch of faces on it. But, unfortunately, I have appointments today. I need to go hang out with people. And that has to be the end of the stream. Next time we're gonna start programming either the Koopa guy or the Toxboxes or whatever else. I might actually have finished them by next time because I'm currently in a working mood and I'm getting a lot of stuff done next week. Although I still want to do a lot of bug fixes, so maybe not. So I'll see you guys in the next stream.